Jietian Electronic Technology Suite Limited in Shenzhen, China, founded in 2012. We are a production-oriented enterprise centered on research and experimental development. Our factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters with a production team of 150 people and an R&D team with 20 people. Here are our modernized production workshops. We are a one-stop professional manufacturer specializing in the production of very waterproof connectors and cable assembly. We specialize in making connectors for solar powers, energy storage, and medical equipment. They hold out global clients with high performance, super reliable connection solutions. They can handle even the toughest conditions. Our products have obtained 14 patent certificates and the UL certification. We always adhere to providing customers with more professional, practical, reliable, and cost-effective products innovations and pursue excellence. We are Jietian Electronic Technology Suite Limited. Don't forget follow and like.